observant, you will notice that majority of the people that have short hair have their hair stuck at shoulder length. And guys, this is not a coincidence. There's actually a very important reason for this. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be talking about why your hair is stuck at shoulder length. Plus, if you know you're interested in hair care videos, tip, routines and many more, make sure to join this family by hitting that lovely subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. And now without further ado, let's get right into this video. If you are very observant, you will notice that majority of the people that have short hair have their hair stuck at shoulder length. And guys, this is not a coincidence. There's actually a very important reason for this. There are two main reasons why your hair is stuck at shoulder length. The first and most important reason is simply friction. Now guys, the more your hair is manipulated, the hair it tends to break. The more it rubs against surfaces and pillows, clothes, shoulder walls, the more it tends to break. So that's why you find out that your hair grows until it gets to shoulder length. At this point, the ends of your hair start rubbing on your shoulders, on your clothes. When you rest your back, your hair rubs on the wall and all that. So when this happens over a prolonged period of time, days, weeks, months, the ends of your hair become to weaken due to repeated friction and trauma. This will now lead to weakness at the ends of the hair, and before you know what's happening, you start having hair breakage at the ends of your hair. Then the hair grows back again to shoulder length, it rubs on your clothes again, and the same cycle continues all over again and again, and you find out that your hair is stuck at shoulder length. So the main reason for this is friction, guys. That's why I'll advise that you put your hair up most of the time, especially when it's at shoulder length. And that's why I always advise that you put your hair in a protective style. I've used protective styles to grow my hair to waist length. Like without protective styles, I don't know what would have become of my hair journey. So guys, protective styles have helped me a lot, and I assure you that if you choose the right protective style for your hair, and if your protective style regimen and routine is perfect for your hair, you will not regret it. Because when you put your hair in a protective style, all the friction and the daily trauma, the rubbing against your shoulders and all that will be completely avoided. Plus, you don't have to manipulate your hair every day, like combing, styling and all that, which will lead to my second major reason for why your hair is stuck at shoulder length. The second reason is manipulation, guys. Yes, too much manipulation, and this ranges from things like combing your hair every day, styling your hair, even the friction between the ends of your hair and your shoulders are all types of manipulation. And things like relaxing your hair too frequently, like every 6 weeks, are also types of manipulation. I talked about that in another video. You can check it out if you're interested. My hair has never been stuck at shoulder length, apart from when it was stuck at mid-back length for some period of time. And during this process, what I simply did was to stretch out the period of my protective style. From 6 months, I stretched it to 2 months, then I stretched it to 3 months. And after I did that, my hair started growing again. Before I knew, I was at waist length. And now I'm currently at waist length. I'm trying to grow my hair to table length. And the reason why my hair has never been stuck at shoulder length was because I knew of protective styling from when I started my hair journey 6 years ago. Like during my secondary school days, my hair is usually cut, and after I graduated from secondary school, I started putting my hair in a protective style after about 2 to 3 months of hair growth, and ever since then I have been doing protective styles right till this day, and that is why my hair has never been stuck at any particular length for a prolonged period of time. So guys, those are the major two reasons why your hair is stuck at shoulder length. Now about the use of protective styles, I also talked about that extensively in other videos. You can also check them out if you're interested, because protective style, it's not just about putting your hair in a protective style and just neglecting your hair. Protective styling is not synonymous to hair neglect. The two are completely different. So you have to get the right protective style regimen and routine. So you can check out that video if you are interested, where I talk extensively on them, on the do's and don'ts of protective styling and all that, and how you can use it to grow your hair. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.